They make social studies real, vivid, mo guys, real, vivid, vital, interesting, and life-like. So remember guys, social studies curriculum is generally embedded with frozen and fixed account of facts. 'Di ba? Ang SOCSTAD nagadil ng mga facts, dates, events, information na guys, let's be honest, baya, boring. In fact, sige daw, be, tell me daw guys, be, kumusta, paano tinuturo ang Aralpan sa inyo before? Paano tinuturo yung Makabayan at Aralpan? May mga IMs ba? Or ang nasa libro, ginapasulat lang sa notebook? Kasi guys, yan lang ba talaga yung ma-remember ko. Ang nasa libro, like not all, but sadly, majority ng mga teachers ko, yung mga nasa libro, good, no? Ginapa-transfer lang nila sa notebook. Yan ang talaga yung process ng SOCSTAD. Sad masyado. Okay? So yeah, may mga facts, dates, events, information. And again, let's be honest, boring yan guys. Abstract yan masyado. But when teachers use instructional aids or mga pictures, videos, maps, model simulations, lesson becomes and relatable. Okay? Because po, the use of instructional aids can add zest, interest, and vitality to the teaching. Why, guys? Because the lesson feels more like lifelike. Yan, guys. Mas meaningful and mas enjoyable. O ito, film viewing usually sa amo, sir. Actually, maganda yung film viewing, guys. However, pag film viewing good na wala gi-process, like gipatingin lang kayo ng, for example, gipatingin kayo ng General Luna, after is walang questioning, like, huh? Ay, in fact, guys, may sabihin ako sa inyo, guys. Comment daw sa mga nanood ng Manuel Quezon na movie. Guys, I believe good, no? Like, based to sa analysis namin, ako, ni Lian, at saka ni Becca, ma-understand mo lang good ang Manuel L. Quezon na movie. Yung recent ba? Kay Jericho. Ma-understand mo lang yung Manuel L. Quezon movie good. Maganda yun siya na movie, guys. But, na-realize ko po, wait lang. Ma-understand mo lang good siya if knowledgeable ka, like meron kang general knowledge ng American period sa Pilipinas, guys. Like Commonwealth period, yung civil government. Pero pag wala good, for example, no, pangit ang foundation mo sa Aralpan. Hindi na-discuss ng ng maayos. Tapos nanood ka man ng Manuel Quezon. Ganito yung mukha mo, guys. Ganito yung mukha mo habang nanood ka. Huh? Daw? Ano? Kasi guys, mabilis ang pacing ng Manuel L. Quezon na movie. But if knowledgeable ka, like general knowledge lang, like for example, in fact nga guys, sabi ko, if nanood ang FTRC yan ng Manuel L. Quezon, tas na-remember pa nila yung nasa handouts, maintindihan talaga nilang process. Pero pag wala guys, napaka-confusing ng movie, mabilis yung pacing. The same goes sa sabi dito, nagpa-film viewing daw. Maganda yan, actually. However, pag after hindi i-process, it defeats the purpose of instructional aids. Yan guys. Okay, again ha, going back, real, vivid, vital, it adds life to the topic, guys. It adds life. Yan. Marami masyado Manila paper, ipadikit sa board, then lahat is nakayuko sa harapan kasi dapat isulat. If I were to rate Manuel L. Quezon movie, I would have given it 8. It was a good movie, guys. Siguro for me kasi po, may ano ako, like I understood the movie. Kasi may kasama ako, guys. Yung kasama ko po, like hindi siya knowledgeable sa history. I had to explain some parts to him. Yan. Ako na-follow ko yung pacing. Like, okay, yan. It's like ganito siya na feeling guys, as someone who teaches Philippine history, it's like what I am teaching is in a movie, but with humor. Yan guys. Ako 'pag regular good na wala idea, wala, ma-confuse lang sila sa movie na yun. Mas ma-understand mo pa ang General Luna. Pero ang Manuel Quezon, it was created for the audience that actually reads history. Hindi siya para sa mga bandwagon watchers guys.